Howdy folks, TechTexN here, bringing you part 7 of Minecrift Online. So, as you can see, Shadow's standing right in front of me, and he's going to show us a few things. First of all, we've already seen this room that looks spectacular with the Oculus Rift on, because, again, it's very 3D, so you get that whole open room feel to it. I love it. So, Shadow, first of all, say hi.
Hello.
And you're going to show us around, right?
Yeah.
You got some tricks up your sleeve. We had some troubles in the previous videos, and we got both my Bobos back, and you also made me some fine armor. Thank you very much.
Yes, I did. You are quite welcome.
Okie
My armor
dokie.
is up in my new place.
Oh, yeah?
Yes.
Shall we take a look?
If you want. That's
Going
right.
up the stairs.
Right up the stairs. Oh, hey, it's daylight.
It is. Okay, I see our house. Whoa!
Yes.
And you also
That is
removed
my house.
that nasty tower that was to our left, and you built yourself a very big house.
Yes, I did.
Wow.
It even has a guest bed if you want it.
How long did that take you?
About 6 hours.
Wow.
Of course, that's because I didn't have enough spruce wood when I was getting up to the top, so I had to go continuously come back down here and mine more trees.
Alright, let me... Ah, there we go. Gate. Sweet. Windmill. You know, with the Oculus Rift on, I feel like I'm taking a tour of someone else's house, which I kind of am.
You are.
Kitchen area, I take it. Oh, I like the whole refrigerator look.
In case of emergency.
Really? You can actually pick that up?
Yes, you can. You just
Sweet.
gotta have a empty hand, shift right click to open it, right click to take that out. And then
Cool.
you
Yeah.
can do it in reverse.
Nice.
And then if you hit the button on the refrigerator,
Oh! Pork chop.
yep.
Sweet.
And this grill here actually works, and it can cook 4 items at once.
Oh, wow. Did you actually have to put coal in it?
You do have to put coal in it, yes.
Ah.
And I have some eggs right here.
Oh, I see. So I just... Oh, so you can cook 4 at a time, and you throw some coal in there, and... Ah, okay.
I have my eggs right here. If you
Oh,
right
so
click-
you can...
right click on the eggs with an empty hand.
Wow, 16.
I followed these 2 chickens around for a while. I'm thinking of using those to start a chicken farm.
You follow 2 chickens around till they spit out some eggs? Wow.
Yes.
Okay, so that's cool. So, hey, is this shelf actually vanilla Minecraft, or is that mod?
That is from a mod called Bibliocraft. So is the case here. Bibliocraft adds a whole bunch of things. So is the table here.
Oh, okay. That's cool. You can put a torch on it.
Yeah. You can even have a...
Oh, oops,
put
sorry.
You can even put carpet on it, and it'll drape over the sides. It's a tablecloth.
Ah,
And
that's cool.
if you put 2 tables next to each other, they'll form into a bigger table. So you can have custom
Sweet.
tables. If you come up here, I have 2 randomly placed chairs. They serve no purpose. I just needed something in this room until I can get more stuff to put here.
Gotcha.
And then this is my bedroom. And if you look right here, this is my closet,
What?
my wardrobe. There's
Oh,
my armor.
cool.
That is what the meteorite armor is supposed to look like.
I see.
But because of the Oculus Rift, when I wear them,
That's pretty cool. So, and that's also in one of the mods, or is that the same mod?
Bibliocraft, yes. And my
Ah.
bats are on the shelves behind you.
Ah, I see. Steve and Steve.
Yep. And this is an armor stand, so aptly named, so it's in my closet.
Now that's cool. You got your chest, crafting table, and
Just a regular table thing.
Gotcha.
And I have a nice little light outside my window.
Yep. Yeah, I saw that hanging outside, and you also got a little flower bed.
Yep.
Interesting.
Alright.
And a view of our first house there.
Yeah.
And the sugar cane farm.
Moving on up.
And a bunch of stuff spawning outside. Oh, nice. Fireplace and all.
Yep. The fireplace came from the same mod the grill did. It's called the Fireplaces mod.
And more hanging light. What's out here? Oh, this is a balcony. With trees growing in it.
Yes.
Oh, and I see you're building more, huh?
No, this went all the way down to the ground.
Yeah?
What I'm doing is I'm letting grass grow up here. So it'll reach over here. So
I gotcha.
Grass right here.
Gotcha. So once that grass starts growing, you can remove this thing, right?
Yep. I even have water hidden underneath this tree trunk right here.
Ah.
So I can have like a tiny farm right here if I wanted.
Gotcha. Nice. What's through the other door?
That's just a little storage room.
Oh, okay.
That is part of the roof of my bedroom downstairs, so I made use of the space.
Huh. Cool.
And then these are bookshelves. When I have written some books, I can put them on there.
Ah, yeah.
So, and then...
You got the sugar for that.
And this is your guest bed right here, if you want it.
What is this right here?
That is a block of coal.
Oh, okay. And, oh, wow. Meteorite weapons and tools.
Yep. Meteorite.
So you're putting me next to the haystacks.
Yes.
So I'm bunking out in the barn.
Yes. It's not exactly a barn.
I know. Is this your chest as well? Or mine?
If you want the chest up here, you can have them.
Cool.
But these are mine. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. You can use that if you want it.
I wasn't going to steal it. I have iron tools in the meantime.
Well, these are meteorites. They can mine obsidian, I believe. So we can make you a set of meteorite tools if you want.
Oh, okay, so you can actually make the meteorite tools.
Yes.
Now, does it give you random properties, or how does that work?
Well, let me just toss this to you so you can see what it does.
Okay. It just bounced somewhere. I don't even know where it went. Oh, okay.
That's one of the things about the meteorite armor. It has magnetization one. This is also same with the tools. So
okay.
If you just start throwing things, they'll be attracted to you.
Cool. Oh.
I think I actually walked them into you.
Yeah, you did.
So if you throw those,
yeah,
they'll all come to me.
Yeah. Let me throw the whole stack out.
So this is very good when you're mining over lava.
Right. So it doesn't fall in.
Or if you're just mining like a dirt pathway out of stuff you don't really want to lose. But yeah.
Huh. I like that idea.
Meteorite armor is very good. And such as the Kenzerite armor helmet that you're wearing, that is very good for the nether because that makes you lava proof when you're fully dressed.
Yes, lava proof is good.
Yes. And this is, of course, the chimney for the fireplace downstairs. Now, I could actually build a chimney that would smoke. I didn't want to do that up there.
Why not?
Well, for one, you can't see the smoke that far away.
Ah, gotcha.
So, with how tall this house is, you would have to be really close in order to even see it.
So kind of pointless.
Yeah. And I think the chimney that I put up there is plenty good anyway. Alright, well, that is my house. I am going to have a little writing
Nice house.
I'm going to have a little writing desk here. That's why there's a chair here.
Ah, okay.
You can actually sit on the chair.
Yeah? Okay. Too bad the chair itself doesn't swivel with the model.
Yeah.
That would be awesome, though.
That would be, yes. But anyway. This place will be furnished eventually. It's only partially furnished right now. But yes. And I will have the video of this up soon, so
Of the actual building. Alright.
check the description below in case it's there.
Huh. Alright. And I see you have your sheep farm.
Yes, I do.
Right next to the lava.
Yes. There's a zombie coming up.
I hope they're not attracted to going in the lava.
Well, they can't get to the lava.
Hope you didn't leave the gate open.
I
Okay,
did.
no, gate's closed. So yes, feel much safer. Now, the spiders, they can get over the gate, right? Or over the fence, I mean?
Yes, they can.
Yeah,
Zombies
so...
can't, and zombies seem to come after you if they can ever see you at all. Either.
Just walking around your yard. Okay.
Oh, in my video,
Oh,
you'll see the zombie dance party.
Zombie dance party?
Zombie dance party.
Gotcha. Well, this is cool.
Yep.
So now we don't have to worry about zombies attacking us from behind. Although you still got to look out for spiders, but you can usually hear them coming.
You can, and it's gonna be
Yeah, it's almost daytime, so
burning time soon.
yes, about to have ourselves a fire.
I can always just do this.
Dude, you need to mow your yard.
What?
Look,
This? Don't mess up my tall grass. It makes it rustic.
rustic.
Rustic. I am not going to mow this yard. I used bone meal to put this grass back.
Really?
Yes.
Okay.
I like the tall grass. Leave my tall grass alone. Yes. They are on fire. One of them is on fire.
So where's our next stop as soon as these zombies become toast?
Well, we can still finish that furnace I told you about.
Oh, the automated furnace, yes.
I love how the zombies will just pick up things and attack you.
I also see how your tools are attracting the rotten flesh.
Well, that's any piece of the armor. If you have one piece of this armor, you'll be able to do that.
Oh, okay.
I also have some cotton that I have growing back here by that annoying... See, you could keep this house. It has the annoying laggy meteor shield thing. But I have
Yeah.
some cotton here.
I see you fixed the area around the pond here.
I did. I had this all one gigantic wheat farm at once, but then it was ugly.
Hey, wasn't this thing purple last time?
It changes colors.
Oh, okay.
I don't know why. But this is my cotton right here.
I see. So you're growing cotton.
Yes. And then with cotton, you can make string or wool.
Nice. I see you expanded on the farm there.
Yes.
So we now have wheat with pumpkins in the middle of it.
As I said, this right here, anywhere where there's not tall grass, on this level and that, like from right here and beyond, anywhere that was within range of this water was a farm.
Gotcha.
I got rid of it.
Fixed it.
Yep. It was so I can grow all that hay that's inside of my attic.
Ah. And this place. Fond memories of the destruction that occurred here.
Yes, you can keep those memories in the house if you want it.
It's alright. They're on YouTube.
You can either live in my attic or have that house. But anyway, let's finish that furnace.
So we're looking at making a automated furnace.
With these pipes that I have right here.
Do I need supplies?
I will be showing you how to make these.
Okay.
Using another mod that we have. Anyway, just go past through here and we can get started.
Cool. I hear a zombie. Oh! What is that? Okay. It looks to be a zombie of you. Wait a minute. It's not attacking. Oh yeah, he's attacking me.
Yep.
Get away.
This is what happens.
Whoa!
This is what happens when you die being killed by a zombie. or a skeleton, or a slime. Instead of,
Oh, I didn't collect hardly any. Oh, okay, here we go.
well, that's because I have the meteorite stuff. You might have...
I got a couple things. Wooden
Yeah.
transport pipe and feather.
Eh.
So that's another mod, huh?
Yes, that is an undeath mod. Remember how I was trying to ask you to kill me, or let me get killed by a zombie?
Right.
Yeah, I was
So-
trying to see if that would happen.
Okay, my next question.
I changed some of the config files. That is normally a 0.02 chance.
Okay, so next question. So when you turn into a zombie, apparently that inventory is stuck on them. Does that mean you actually lose that inventory? Well, I guess you would. Well, a
lose
chance
that
to get it
inventory
back?
when you lose that inventory when you die anyway. But this way, your inventory is preserved if you go down and kill yourself.
All of it, or only a certain percentage? Oh, nice.
And that is the same for a slime, though you only have to kill the original slime, and not a zombie of you with your old armor and weapons.
Nice.
That is the downside. You have to kill a zombie of you with your armor and weapons.
That's true. Although usually when you die, your armor's gone anyway.
Well, no, but
Most of the time.
in order to get your stuff back, you have to.
I also see that you have something else next to the crafting table. We have the anvil, the crafting table, but this looks like a column.
That is
Some
a pillar.
Pillar.
I am going to show you how to build some of this stuff. Now, these pipes that I have here,
Uh-huh.
they are from a mod called Buildcraft. And how you build them is you need a piece of glass and a piece of material of the type of pipe you're going to make, and you put one here in your crafting bench, one here in your crafting bench.
Now, you dropping, you're just right-clicking on. Oh, you actually right-click on the little squares?
I'm right-clicking on the little squares, and then it shows you how to make the stuff. When you have a good recipe, it's going to pop up right above it, and then you can left-click, and it gives you a little love, and you get your items that you've crafted.
Huh.
That is from a mod called Crafting Pillars. And how you make this is you take smooth stone and make an eye. And this will give you your base pillar.
Huh.
And then if you get crafting bench, which I leave a crafting bench just because of the shortcuts it has. Let me just get a crafting bench here. Oh wait, no, I have one. Never mind. So if you get a crafting bench and that pillar you made, if I can find it in my info, there it is. And then this is just a shapeless recipe. You just take your base pillar and a crafting table, and you get your crafting pillar.
I see.
And then you can also make, using the same kind of thing, you can use a furnace, a jukebox, which the jukebox is kind of cool because you can actually see the disc spinning on top of the jukebox. And then there's also a potted plant pillar, There's also a potted plant pillar, a freezing pillar, which you can make ice that way. A trash can pillar, which just destroys everything in here. They have an anvil pillar that may be working in the latest version, but it says...
Okay, so we can make all this stuff. Where is it?
Huh?
Where is all this stuff? Have you made it, or...?
No.
Oh.
I'm just saying there's a lot of stuff you can make with this. You can make a smelting pillar, a crafting pillar, a showcase pillar, a brewing pillar. And all of it looks cool because it has that kind of visuals right there.
Interesting.
But anyway.
Well, we'll have to build that in the future.
Make your pipes and you make engines, which I can show you how to build later.
Okay, so do I need to make anything right now?
I think I have everything I need.
Okay, moving forward.
So, like, this is a redstone engine. It is powered by redstone. And then these can connect to wooden pipes, which the wooden pipes you craft out of the glass and the wood. My wooden pipes. Here's my wooden pipes. And you just place them against an inventory. Did that just turn black? Oh, whatever.
I don't see anything turning black.
Okay, there it goes. It just changed for me.
Well, so what's that right there?
That is an engine. That is a redstone engine. It is powered by redstone. There are other engines that you have to put materials into. One which accepts things like coal, which we don't want it to accept. And another requires fuel, like the oil that you keep seeing everywhere.
Gotcha.
And then I have two different types of stone pipe. One is cobblestone pipe, and the other is regular stone pipe. The reason for this is any pipes next to each other will connect. But the stone and the cobblestone pipes do not connect with each other. So you can have this. This is going to be where your coal comes in.
Okay, so why did this turn black?
That is a cobblestone pipe.
Is that because it's above the redstone or what?
That is because it's a cobblestone pipe.
Oh, okay. So you have a wood pipe and cobblestone pipe.
The wood
Does it matter which kind you make?
Yes. The wooden pipes pull things out of inventories when powered by an engine.
Okay.
That's why I have the engines underneath the wooden pipes.
I see, and you put that next to the chest.
Yes. And then the coal and stuff is going to go through the...
And the cobblestone pipe is just sort of a conduit.
Yes,
and then push it along.
Up there. And then that will... See how I'm putting it down at the bottom? That is going to push the coal up into the bottom slot of the inventory. This is going to be the same for just about any mod that supports this. So any mod items that support Buildcraft.
Okay.
It's going to let you put coal...
So you're going to put all these across the bottom here?
Yes.
Let's see it in action.
If you have any coal on you.
I do not. I have wood.
There's some coal in that other chest. So I'm going to place this pipe. You go get that coal.
What other chest?
It's one of the first chests on the left-hand side. There should be coal in there. I don't think I grabbed all.
I am not seeing any coal. Is there coal back in the main room?
Don't tell me I took all that to my house. Coal should have been... Yeah, right here.
Ah, I see.
Also the blocks of coal.
How much coal do we need?
Just take the blocks of coal and put that in your inventory to make coal.
All of it, or no, I'll just take all of it. Okay.
Yeah, because all the coal is going to. No, don't take all of it, because there's something we can do with the coal. Take half of it.
Well, I already brought all of it, but I'll put some of it in the chest when we're ready.
Okay. I'm just gonna make this loop around.
Let me guess, right here.
Well, I'm actually going to put an iron pipe right here. And what that's going to do is that is a directional pipe.
Well, wait a minute. So if you need a directional pipe, don't you need the iron pipes on these corners right here?
No, because I'm going to have another line for items coming up here, and then it's going to go down here.
Oh, okay.
And with the wrench, you can right-click on this, and the little graphics will update. Should update. Is it pointing that way for you? This way?
I'm assuming, is that the solid texture that's going the direction it needs to go?
No.
Okay, I have no idea what you're looking at then.
It's the not solid part right here.
Okay, so the not solid part is the way it needs to go.
Yeah,
Solid is input and
solid
transparent is output.
It has the same thing on these chests right here. So if you have more than one chest...
I see. So solid input,
yes,
clear output. Gotcha.
Alright. So, and then I'm going to have another line of things that are going to... One line of things is going to be like the things you're going to craft, going to smelt, which will go up on top. That'll also be coming out of here.
Okay, so the bottom was for the coal, the fuel. Now, you could also use wood, though, right?
Huh?
Since it's fuel in general, you could also put wood in there, right?
If you wanted to, yeah.
Okay.
Coal just works better.
Yeah.
There's also, you're hearing zombies and things because there's a cave
Yeah, skeleton.
I'm hearing those zombies in. I'm just going to place all this. And then what you're going to do is more of the wooden pipes. Can't have this here. You need this back one. If you want to help run these, I can just throw all these things and walk them into you.
I did not get a thing.
Yes, you did.
Okay, I have 11. So
just continue running the pipes along the top.
Gotcha.
Like they are at the bottom.
Okay, I'm assuming goes here. Yeah, there we go. Maybe I should use my mouse to... Okay, there we go. I'm out.
You're out. I can give you some more in a moment. Also, you're in the way.
Oh,
Just
kinda...
get down. Just get down. Okay. There you go. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to place these wooden pipes. You have to shift click so you don't open the furnaces. And then I'm going to put redstone engines underneath them. And what that's going to do is that's when the stuff is smelting, you know, the slot on the right hand side of these is going to pull anything out of that slot.
Uh-huh.
And as I said, this works basically the same way for any GUI that Buildcraft supports. And then, because you want to make sure everything is going this direction, you're going to have to alternate between the iron, whatever that is.
Just to let you know, I did not finish the conduit.
You did not finish the conduit?
Well, I don't have the stuff to do it.
Then, that's my wrench. There's my wrench. I want to come over here, make sure this is facing the right way. It's not. Okay, there we go. That is going to...
Minecraft engineering, folks.
Yes.
They ought to just call the mod that. Or I'm assuming there's more than one mod involved here.
No, this is actually all Buildcraft.
Oh, okay, so just Buildcraft.
Yes.
I guess that works too.
The pipes and the engines.
Okay, I'm trying to get a view. There we are. Okay, so you have input, output, okay. And it's all going to come down this way.
Yes.
And are you directing that down to this corner that you built over here, or?
Yes.
Ah.
Because this is an output chest. Anything that doesn't get sucked into by...
Now, before we block this way, we got to finish this conduit over here, which I had going.
Yes. And I also need to fix this because I made a derby.
Ah.
This actually needs to be one farther out than it is.
Oh, it can't just go straight over?
Because it'll mess with the wooden pipes then, from coming out from the furnaces.
Okay. So it's got to go there and up and around. Okay. Build faster! I mean, you're doing great.
I am not your slave. I am not your slave. Only
Of course not!
Only sometimes am I your slave.
I shall call you Scotty.
Scotty Doo!
No, I'm talking about Star Trek, Scotty.
At least you knew which Scotty I
Oh.
was.
Okay, I guess I picked that one up.
And cobblestone. There you
Okay.
go. Finish this off. Those two lines. And then, if you wanted, you can go put anything into... You wanted smelt into this line. And then coal into this line. The hoppers out there.
You got to finish your outputs, though.
Yes, I do. Actually, they won't even start outputting until I place everything.
Oh, okay. So I can go ahead and go grab some stuff.
Yeah.
Cool. I'm going to go find some stuff. What shall we melt down? I have no idea what you have in these chests. Okay.
I have a bunch of ore.
Well, you got a bunch of cobblestone, too.
Yeah. If you wanted to use that.
Where's the ore?
And another thing about the
24 iron ingot. Oh wait, well, that's the ingots, not the. Okay, here we go.
Another thing about these engines, if you come back here.
Momentarily.
Okay.
I got a lot of iron ore. Okay. Now, question: if I'm using the block of coal, is that going to split it up into regular coal, or how does that work? Or does it just last longer when it's in the furnace?
It will last longer, but I recommend against it because if you're only smelting a few things at a time, you don't want to waste the entire block.
So do I need to break down the blocks?
Yes. And those are like crafted like any blocks. But if you come back here before this thing explodes, let me show you something.
Explodes?
Yes.
Oh, what is that?
How this one doesn't have anything connected to its, I should probably remove this right here. Okay, since this thing was powered and its energy wasn't being output to anything, unlike these, which all have a wooden pipe they're powering.
Gotcha.
This, it will overheat and then explode.
Let me guess, red means it was about to explode.
What was that?
What was what?
Sounds like Skype.
Wasn't me.
Okay. It's not... Someone may have just sent me something over Skype. I'm not going to show you now.
Tell them to wait. We're recording.
I am full screen right now. Anyway...
So what do we do about this? We create the...
Yes.
Thing and then it goes back to normal.
Yes, if you just get a wooden pipe and put it over.
I have wooden pipe. Like that?
Yep. And then we can power it again and it'll start cooling off. Because it actually has an output.
I see. Okay. So you got to be careful with the engines.
Yes, and the steam and the other ones are even more dangerous because they can overheat. The one that takes the fuel also requires you to put in a whole bunch of water. And the hotter it gets, the more water it burns through. If you don't have enough water cooling it down, it'll explode whether it's powering something or not.
Sounds like a lot of maintenance.
It can be, but you can also create a pump that automatically puts water into it.
Oh, well, okay.
But you just have to build the pump that automatically puts water into it. This line I'm going to make out of the regular stone so I can run it right up against this without fear of it all meshing together. So, there we go. And you can jump cut to when this is done.
Right.
Because I have a feeling you were planning on doing that anyway.
Yep.
Did that change properly? Sometimes I'm getting like a lag on there we go. Yeah, I'm getting a lag sometimes on graphical updates. I'm not sure if that's because of the Oculus or what.
Ooh, I hear a spider.
Oh, I can like just tilt my head to move my cursor to the side slightly.
Yeah, that's what I kind of do sometimes. It's like, with the Oculus, you get a little bit of extra fine-tuning of the little reticle there. Kind of help you aim and look around. It does kind of help you build. Although it can also be a little nauseating, but... Build, man. Time's running short.
Oh, that was the wrong pipe. Why is time running short? You're doing jump cuts.
Yeah, I know. This looks like a different type of pipe. Is that still iron? Why does it look darker?
This is a smooth stone pipe.
Oh, okay. So what's the difference with smooth stone and the rest?
Gold pipe will actually allow things to move very quickly through the pipes. The difference between cobblestone and smooth stone is it holds that speed that it's doing a little bit longer. And also, for when you're wanting to do pipes like this, because smooth stone and cobblestone pipes do not connect with each other. That's why I'm using the two different types of pipes here.
Gotcha.
Without the gold pipes, they'll be moving the same speed anyway.
Well, I don't think we need to worry much about speed anyway, because you have so much going on at once.
Come on. Stone transport pipe. And a wrench. There we go.
This room got filled up pretty quick.
That is why I designed it this... That is the wrong pipe.
How long did it take you to figure this out the first time?
The first time, not very long, because it's not really that complicated. It just takes a while to build. And then all the items from everything.
Uh-huh.
If you'll move for a moment so I can look. I hear a burning creeper.
Nah, it sounds like he's burning.
As I said, a burning
or drowning.
Creeper. Nah, either works. Okay. So I just need to double check to make sure all those pipes are looking the same right way.
You know, I hope that the Minecrift developers will set it up for the retail Oculus with the head tracking, so you can actually look around some of these pipes, make sure you got things hooked up properly.
Yes, and it should be even more
with the head tracking,
more compatible with all these different mods for the Forge, because instead of building on Optifine, which they're doing right now, they're going to be building over the Forge for the 1.7 version.
Nice.
They've already started developing that.
So, can I go ahead and put stuff in the chest and get started? Sorry, yes. I haven't done that yet.
Hoppers. So you can put regular coal down there.
Hang on. So, let me... Alright, so... Oh wait, I put the coal in the bottom one, right?
You put the coal in the bottom one.
Alright.
Because that's like the fuel line.
I'll just put a stack of 63 coal.
That'll work.
And then on this one, I'll put a stack of 64 iron ore. Let's see it in action. I can't see.
Look, right here.
Okay, yeah, I see the iron.
Why isn't anything coming out of that one?
I don't know, I put coal in it. There's 63 coal.
Oh, okay. The chest has to be openable.
Oh, okay.
So now the
I see it, yeah. Okay.
The iron will be going over here. Some of it will go up into the furnace. Most of it will go into this first furnace.
Does it just hold a whole stack of 64? Okay, why did it just take a random coal?
It does it randomly.
Oh.
See, now the furnace is cooking things.
I see. Now wait a minute. The coal's just coming straight out.
What? Why are you doing that?
Scotty.
Does it have to be rotated a different direction? Let's try it. Oops. Alright. Let's try having
You broke the machine!
This way, so that the left output fix this. That should stop taking out the coal like it's doing everywhere.
Nope. Coal just came out of it.
Coal is still coming out of it. Is this broken? It didn't used to do this.
Now, do you need... Okay, so the wood conduit is so it comes out, right?
Yes. But I don't know why
But
it's...
does it output finished product or just anything that's in it?
No, because the iron is still in there. I need to take this out and figure out what's going on. 'Cause this ain't right. On the plus side, we have a bunch of iron smelting.
I hope so. Let's see if some iron actually comes out.
Well, iron isn't coming out. It's staying in there for whatever reason.
Oh, I see. So, now wait a minute. So, what if we actually just let it finish? Will it start coming out?
No. Because it should have already started pulling them out. On the plus side, we're not losing any coal.
Right, it just goes back in the chest, and then... Yeah, I see it filling up.
See, they might have changed how you had to wire this a little bit. Let me just break some of this, and let me see here. Put that back. Break this right here. Break this.
I feel like I'm working in the engine room of a submarine.
Yeah, because this is how it used to be. They might have changed it since I played with this. So let's get our smooth...
Whoa! So why is the engine right there?
Because I am seeing if they now come out of the top, which is very possible if they decided to change it.
No, it just took the iron ore.
Pulling the iron out.
What about bottom? Or back?
Try the bottom first. That'll be easier. The engine...
Folks, technical difficulties. Getting this sucker to work.
Taking this. Oh, it's coming out of the bottom now.
Ah, so...
I will be reworking all of this off camera.
That is going to be a lot of work.
Yes.
But at least we know why. So the iron ingots have to come out the bottom.
Yes.
Coal and iron. Now, what's to prevent the regular coal and iron from coming out? Like, will that come out the bottom too?
It is all based on what side everything goes in. So the middle line...
Uh-oh. So it's all... Okay, so it's going up to this corner and it's going to bounce back.
Yeah.
Come back down.
And then it's going to do this weird thing, because I don't have this wired correctly.
I see, yeah, because randomly chooses direction at the bottom,
Yeah.
right? Yeah.
That's the purpose of the iron pipe, is to make sure everything goes to the right direction. It should...
Well,
I don't know what it's going to do here. It may just fall out of the pipe system.
Well, I think it's random. Oh, yeah, you're right. It just falls out. Well, a couple went this way, and it's just going to go to the input.
Yeah.
Well, that's going to take a while, but it's still a cool idea. So that way you don't have to spend all the time. Yeah, you don't have to spend all the time doing the furnacing yourself. All you got to do, once you have this built, you just mine your resources, bring it back, throw it in the box, and then walk away.
Yep. And there will be some extra things that we can set up later when we have other things built that will make it a lot more complicated and a lot better. Because you can actually, if you, from this one other mod I have, you have an ore crusher, which in the combination with items from another mod that I'm not really going to use because of my theme here. I'm using a more steampunk theme, and that's all electricity stuff.
Well, we got 4 iron ingots. Hey, how much iron ore was supposed to go in this box?
It should be random.
Because there's 3 iron ore.
Yeah, that's because I had put it in at the top and started putting the iron ore out of it. So what it is...
Oh, so you pulled it out yourself.
The coal goes into the sides. What you're going to smelt goes to the top. What you're pulling out is at the bottom. That's the way it works.
That's going to be a bit of working.
Yeah, I'm going to do all that off camera, and this is going to be fixed by the time you come back.
Alrighty. So, folks, for those of you who want to be engineers out there, Yeah, trial and error.
Yeah, basically. But anyway, as I was saying, the ore crusher can crush rocks down into ores into dust. So you get from one ore, you get 2 dusts, which you can both smelt into an ingot.
Okay.
So you get to double your output if you hook up an ore crusher into it.
Interesting.
Yes. So I hear more zombies.
Yeah, I think it's nighttime out. Let's go kill some.
Alright, good way to end the video.
Alright. I think that's enough of that, so we're going to end the video here at the new house of Shadow.
Y'all come back now.
Bye.